Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of technology and learn how a refrigerator works. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the refrigerator's main components. It consists of a compressor, condenser, evaporator, and an expansion valve. Now, let's break it down step by step. When you open the refrigerator door, the compressor kicks in. This is the heart of the refrigerator, and it's responsible for pumping the refrigerant gas through the system. The compressor compresses the gas, turning it into a hot, high-pressure liquid. This liquid then flows into the condenser, where it's cooled down by the fan. The fan helps dissipate the heat, turning the liquid back into a gas. Next, the gas flows into the expansion valve, which reduces the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant. This causes the gas to condense into a liquid, and it's this liquid that flows into the evaporator. The evaporator is where the magic happens. It's filled with coils that are cold enough to turn the liquid refrigerant back into a gas. This gas absorbs heat from the surrounding air, cooling the air inside the refrigerator. So, that's how a refrigerator works. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about the benefits of understanding how a refrigerator works. Firstly, it can help you save energy. By knowing how your refrigerator operates, you can make sure it's running efficiently. For example, if you notice that your refrigerator is running more than usual, you might want to check the door seal for any gaps. This could be a sign that cold air is escaping, causing your refrigerator to work harder to maintain the temperature. Secondly, understanding how a refrigerator works can help you troubleshoot any issues that might arise. If your refrigerator isn't cooling properly, knowing how it works can help you identify the problem and fix it. In conclusion, knowing how a refrigerator works is not only fascinating but also practical. It can help you save energy, troubleshoot issues, and even potentially save you money on repairs. So, the next time you open your refrigerator door, remember the journey that your food has taken to get there. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and entertaining content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.